In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns and sections in Notion. If you want to organize your Notion page so it looks cleaner and is easier to read, using columns and sections is a great place to start. Columns help you place content side by side, while sections let you continue organizing information underneath. This is especially useful for project pages, dashboards, notes, and any layout where you want a more structured design. To begin, go to your Notion page. Open the page where you want to build your layout and click into the editing area so your cursor is active. This makes sure Notion is ready to accept a new block or layout command. Once you're on the page, click anywhere on it and type a /. In Notion, the / command is the quickest way to insert different types of content and formatting options. It opens a menu that helps you search for exactly what you want to add without needing to dig through menus manually. After typing the /, type the word column. As you do this, Notion will start filtering the available block options related to columns. This is the fastest way to find the layout tools you need, especially if you're working quickly or building out a page from scratch. Now click on the number of columns you want. Notion will usually give you options like 2, 3, 4, or even 5 columns. Choose the layout that best fits the kind of content you're planning to add. If you want a simple side-by-side layout, 2 columns may be enough. If you're creating a compact dashboard or comparing several items at once, more columns can work well. Once the columns appear, type your content into each column. You can add text, headings, lists, images, or other blocks depending on what you need. Keep in mind that narrower columns have less horizontal space, so shorter content often looks better and feels easier to read. After you've added your column content, the next step is to make a section underneath it. Click below your columns on a new line. This creates a separate area outside the column layout, so anything you type there will appear as a full-width section beneath the columns rather than inside them. Finally, type in your section content. This can be a new paragraph, a heading, a checklist, or any other information you want to place below the columns. This is a simple way to combine a multi-column layout at the top with a more traditional section underneath, giving your Notion page a clean and professional structure. And that's how to make columns and sections in Notion.